Discussions on economics. Currency. Should currency exist if automation takes over everyone's job?
In a world where automation takes over all jobs, the monetary economy as we know it will no longer function. We need to find a new way to distribute resources and wealth.
But isn't currency a necessary tool for exchanging goods and services? How can we have an economy without it?
Currency is only a tool because we've made it so. In a world where automation does everything, we won't need to exchange goods and services in the same way. We'll need to figure out a new way to distribute resources and wealth.
But what about the people who own the machines? Won't they accumulate all the wealth?
That's a valid concern. We'll need to find a way to ensure that the benefits of automation are distributed fairly among everyone.
But how can we do that without currency?
We can create a system where everyone has access to the resources they need, without needing to exchange money. It's possible, but it will require a major shift in our thinking.
I'm not sure if that's possible. Money has been the foundation of our economy for centuries.
True, but we've also seen how money can be a source of inequality and corruption. We need to start thinking about alternatives before it's too late. What is the best backing for currencies?
I've been hearing a lot about backing currencies. What does it mean, and why is it important?
Backing a currency refers to the assets or materials that support its value. It's important because it provides stability and confidence in the currency.
What are some ways to back a currency?
There are various means to back a currency, such as materials like gold, economies, other currencies, and assets.
Are there any pros and cons to each way of backing a currency?
Yes, for example, backing a currency with gold provides stability, but it can also limit the money supply. On the other hand, backing a currency with another currency can provide flexibility, but it can also be risky if the backing currency loses value.
I've heard that cryptocurrencies are being backed by various assets. Is that true?
Yes, that's correct. Cryptocurrencies are being backed by virtually all of these, including gold, dollars, oil, and more.
Do you think cryptocurrencies are the future of currency?
It's possible. Cryptocurrencies offer benefits like decentralization and transparency, but they also have risks like volatility and lack of regulation.
Could a currency be backed by a cryptocurrency?
It's possible. Backing a currency with a cryptocurrency could offer sustainability and transparency, but it would also require widespread adoption and stability of the cryptocurrency. Will cryptocurrencies replace fiat currencies?
Do you think cryptocurrencies will replace fiat currencies?
It's possible. Cryptocurrencies are decentralized and unregulated, making them less susceptible to manipulation.
But aren't cryptocurrencies more volatile than traditional currencies?
That's true. Cryptocurrencies are more prone to price fluctuations, but they are also more secure than traditional currencies thanks to blockchain technology.
What about the drawbacks of cryptocurrencies?
There are concerns about the use of cryptocurrencies in illegal transactions, and their deregulated nature can undercut stable national governments' macroeconomic policies. There are also scalability and efficiency issues, as crypto mining is highly energy intensive.
Despite these challenges, cryptocurrencies have proven resilient over the years. Do you think they will eventually replace fiat currencies?
It's hard to say. Cryptocurrencies have the potential to take over some of the roles of traditional currencies, but it's unlikely that they will replace fiat currencies altogether. Governments and central banks will continue to play a significant role in the monetary system.
That's a valid point. It will be interesting to see how the cryptocurrency market develops in the coming years.
Absolutely. The world may be nearing an inflection point where crypto begins to take over some of the roles of traditional, government-backed currencies. But it's important to weigh the advantages and disadvantages of both types of currencies before making any predictions.